Good morning, children.
Good morning, friends. Nalima, I loved our trips to different parts of India.
Oh, yes. Did you? Chetna loved them and I did too. I'm sure you did too. The first trip we went on was to North India.
Yes.
Yeah, let's talk about it.
Okay.
Okay. What did you like best over there, Chetna?
Hill station.
Aha, those were good. They were cool and nice. What did you like in the hill stations?
The snow.
The snow? Oh, nice. It looked so pretty on the top of the mountains, didn't it? That white snow.
Yes.
Pena, which hill station was your favorite?
Shimla.
Shall I tell you mine?
Yes.
Kulu and Manali. Nice.
Yes.
Yeah. Which was your favorite hill station? Do you remember? Tell us about it, okay? Then after that, what was the second trip we took?
East.
East. That's right. We went to the east of India. Okay. Now tell me, what did you like best in the east?
The Rasgullas.
Yeah.
And the long bridge.
Yes. There was a
But
long.
I don't remember the name.
I'll tell you the name of the long bridge. Does any of you remember the name of that long bridge?
No.
I'll tell you. It was called the Howrah Bridge.
The Howrah Bridge.
Now you remember?
Yes.
Yeah. And you know what, children? I think we saw a hill station in the east also. Do you remember that?
Yes.
Yeah. There was a hill station in the east. Okay. Tell me something about that hill station in the east. What did you see there? What did you see there? There was something which I like to
Drink.
tea. Good girl. Yes. She remembers that we saw a hill station where they grow tea. Did you remember that? I'm sure you did. And you know what? The name of that hill station is Darjeeling.
Darjeeling.
Yeah, so we saw hill stations in the north and one in the east. Right? Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah. So now let's go to the west.
Wait, ma'am.
Uh-huh.
This time I'll ask you what's your favorite thing.
Good idea. So I'm going to tell you what is my favorite thing there this time. Chitna, I like the beaches. You know, we didn't see any beaches in the north and in the east. And in the west, we saw two. We saw Juhu Beach and we saw Chowpatty. You remember?
Yes.
And what did we eat over there?
Indian burger.
Vada pav. Yes, of course. You know, I also think we saw some mountains here. We saw the Western Ghats here in the western part of India. They were pretty green mountains. Very nice ones. You remember that? Yes. And then the last trip we took, where was that? To the south of India.
South of India.
Yeah. And what did you like best over there?
The boat house.
The boat house? Alright. Nice. Do you think you want to go there again sometime?
Yes.
Okay. Maybe. We'll all go sometime. I don't know when, but maybe sometime we'll go there. Right? Children, did you also like the boat houses?
Hello children, welcome back to another session of Play at Home. So children, as you all know that we are discussing and learning many things about our country, India. Yes. So I have something new for you today about India. You all want to know what is it? Yes, it is about our national leaders, the famous leaders of our country. We'll discuss about few of them today. Shall we? Great. Okay, let's do that. What I'll do is I'll show you the picture right now and I'll see how many of you know who he is. Okay, let's have a look at the first picture here. Anybody? Yes? Oh, you've seen him somewhere. Yes, in the pictures. Very good. Yes, you must have seen him. I'll tell you the name. His name is Mahatma Gandhi. Yes. And do you all know his full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, and he was our Mahatma Gandhi is also known as Bapu, or the father of the nation. We all call him by that name with love. Okay, children, tell me, do you all remember that we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti every year? Do you all remember that? Yes? Right. So, Gandhi Jayanti is Mahatma Gandhi's birthday. Yes, like we all have our birthdays, it is his birthday. But do you all know when is his birthday? When do we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti, children? Anybody remembers that? It's on 2nd October. Excellent. Very good. Very good. We celebrate his birthday on 2nd October. Very nice. Alright. Let's look at the next picture now. Who is our next leader? Let's see. Anyone? Yes? You want to try to read his name? What is written there? Go ahead. Yes. He is Jawaharlal Nehru, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Do you all know, children, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru is, yes, he was our first Prime Minister of our country. Yes, India's first Prime Minister was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay, let me ask you one question now about him. Do you all remember that we all celebrate Children's Day? Every year we celebrate Children's Day, right? Yes, we all do that, right? And do you all know why do we celebrate Children's Day? We celebrate Children's Day on Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday. But why do we do that? On his birthday we celebrate Children's Day. Do you all want to know why? Because he loved children very much. He was very fond of children. That's why his birthday has been celebrated as Children's Day. And one more interesting thing you want to know? He has another name also. Children used to call him Chacha Nehru. Yes, he was also known as Chacha Nehru. Lovely. Okay, let's move on to our next famous leader here. Yes, children, who is this next leader? Yes, I'll tell you. He is Subhash Chandra Bose. Yes, his name is Subhash Chandra Bose. He was also a famous leader and a freedom fighter. Yes. Okay. Now let me ask you one more question here. Do you all know the song Jana Gana Mana? You know that song? Yes? Yes, you all know that, right? Do you all know that Jana Gana Mana is our national anthem, the song of our nation? That is why it is called national anthem. But who all know that who has written this national anthem for our country? Anyone? Anybody knows that? Okay, I will tell you today. Jana Gana Mana, our national anthem, is written by Rabindranath Tagore. He was a very great and famous poet of our country. Understood? Lovely. So, children, today we have learned about few leaders. Let me see how many of you remembers the name of these leaders. Shall we try and see how many of you remember? Okay, let me see. So first one we learn about is, yes, correct, Bapu, very good. Mahatma Gandhi, very nice. Alright, now second one, yes, Chacha Nehru, excellent. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, very good children. And the third one was, yes, Subhash Chandra Bose. And we learn about the famous leader and poet also? Yes, his name was Rabindranath Tagore. Very good. Okay, all right. Let me ask you one more question now today. How many of you know the name of our current Prime Minister, children? Who is our Prime Minister right now? Oh my God, you all know his name. Very good. He is Mr. Narendra Modi. Very good. Excellent. Okay. Let me ask you one more question. One last question, children, now. Okay. All right. Who is the president of our country right now? Yes. Yes. Oh, you can see and read the name? Yes. His name is Ramnath Kovind. Very good. Very good, children. So now I hope you all remember the name of all the leaders we have learned today. Will you? Good. Very good. All right, children. So what do we do next? Yes, now you all know. We learn about the phonic sounds and the words. Very good. All right. So how many of you remember that how many groups have we already done revising the phonic sounds? How many group are we done with? Any guesses? 2 or 3? How many? Yes, we are already done with 3 groups of phonic sounds. Okay, do you all want to revise those sounds or you already remember the sounds? You already know? Okay, let's do one thing. We'll quickly revise those sounds, and today what we will do? We'll do something different. We will today make some words with those sounds. Does it sound interesting to you all? Yes? Great. Let's do that today. Okay. So we will just quickly revise the sound and make the words with those sounds. Alright? Great. Let's do it. Shall we? Lovely. Very good. Alright. So what do I have here every time with me? Yes, my mystery box. But today the mystery will give us more and more words. Okay. So we'll just see. The first group of sounds we learned was S, A, T. Very good. I. Very good. P. Excellent. And very good. Okay. Let's go with the second group of sounds now. Okay. All right. So this is K. Very good. This one? Excellent. You all remember the sounds very well. Very good. K again. Now, E. Very nice. Very good. Which one is this one? R. Excellent. Very good. Lovely, lovely. And D. Excellent. Very good. Wonderful. So now 2 set of sounds are here. Now let me take out the third group of sounds. So you all know G. Excellent. After G, O. Very nice. Which one is that one? Lovely. Very good. Then the last one is B. Very good. So now we have all the sounds here, right? Now what we will do is we will just select few of the sounds and try to make some words with it. Shall we do that? Yes, it sounds interesting. I know. That's good. Okay, let me show you. All right. So, which sound shall I pick first? I'll start with the first one only. Okay, let me see. If I start from here, which sound is that? S. I will join another sound with S. It becomes a, sa, and I will put here t. Which word does it become, children? S, a, t. S, a, t. Sat. Very good. It becomes sat. Very nice. Okay. Let me think of replacing this sound with the sound here. What does it become now? What does it become now? P, a, t. P, a, t becomes pat. Pat. It becomes pat. So we have learned sat and pat. Okay. Now, shall we do something else? Okay, I will put these sounds back and let's make another word. All right. So what can we make here? Okay, let me see. Okay, let me take this sound. Which sound is that? K. Very good. K. Okay. I will put a again. And one more sound here. Can you all read it together? K, a, p. K, a, p. K, a, cap. It becomes cap. Lovely. So now you know how to blend the words, blend the sounds and make the words. Yes, so we are doing the blending here. We are blending the sounds together. When we say k separate, a separate and p separate, these are the separate sound. But when we join them together, blend them together, it becomes one word. Like k, apple, cap. Alright. Okay, let me make one more similar word with that. Which letter should we take? Okay, let me take t here. What does it become, children? T, a, p. T, a, p. Tap. Correct. Very good, children. So you are, now getting it, how to blend it. Very good. So t, apple becomes tap. Very nice. Okay, let me put all these sounds back together now. Back here. All right. So which word should we make next now? Tell me. Okay, I will take E sound. Shall I take E? Okay. I will take P. And okay, let me choose these ones. Okay, anyone wants to try to read these sounds together? Try to blend in and read it together. Yes, this is P, I, N. P, I, N. P, I, N becomes pin. What does it become? Pin. Very good. All right. Now, let me make another similar word with that. You can make as many words you can from these sounds. Okay, let me put T here. So what does it become? Children, read. Come on, try. T, I, N, T, N, tin. What does it become? Tin. So we learned pin and now we have made tin. Understood, children? Great. Lovely. All right, let's do something else. Let's make some more words with some more sound. Okay. Now, what should we do? Okay. Let me take this sound. Which sound is that, children? Ka, k, k. Very good. This is k sound. Now, after k, if I put a here, it becomes ka, ka. Now, I will put, which sound is that? B. Excellent. So, k, a, b. K, a became ka and b. Blend, we blend b sound with them. So, it becomes cab. K, a, b, cab. Okay. Alright. So, one more word, similar word can we make? I think many of you use those, gadgets there. What do you use other than phone and TV? You use tabs? Yes, so we will make a word tab. How do we make the word tab? Tab starts with which sound? Tab starts with sound T. Very good. So I will put here the sound T and it becomes T, A, B, tab. T, A, B, tab. Alright. Okay, let's do, take some other words now. Let's make some more words. Alright. What can we do next? Okay. Alright, let me take a different sound now. Which sound is that, children? H, h. Very good. And let me take another sound here. Which sound is that? H, and if I put this T, how will we read that? H, T, H, T, H, T, hut. Very good. H, T becomes hut. Yes. All right. Okay, let's move on to similar. Okay, we can make one more word similar to this. I think which word we should make with similar to this hut? Correct. We can put k here and we make k, t, cut. K, t, cut. Very nice. Okay, now I think you all are learning how to make the new words. Very good. Alright, so are you all enjoying? Lovely. Okay, one last set of words we will make. Alright, let me think. Alright, I will take lovely, and t, net. Lovely, you got it right. Very good. Okay, so with net, can we make one more similar sounding word? Oh, lovely, you came up with the right word. Pet. Very nice. So we can make pet with this. Pet. Pet. Very nice. Wonderful, children. I enjoyed this session a lot. I hope you all will remember these sounds and letters, and you'll also start blending and reading now. Small words, just 2 to 3 letter words like we did today, right? Okay, all right. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.